So I'll be showing you how to quickly type emojis anywhere on your Windows computer. It could be in a Google Docs document, it could be in Microsoft Word, it could be even on a website or even in the URL bar. This method will type emojis, or maybe you can use emojis anywhere. So what you want to do is press and hold the Windows button and then quickly press the period button or the full stop button, and this little window will appear. So let's try that again. So Windows and period, that little window appears, and with this window you have categories. You have emojis, gifs, you have symbols, all that stuff. So you can just click on the emojis category and you have all these emojis that you can use, and they are classified in different categories. For instance, if you want to type this crying emoji, just click on it and it's gonna get typed wherever you are on your computer. Okay, literally anywhere, and you can have this huge collection of emojis. Now you can even search for specific emojis. So for instance, if you want to type let's say pizza emoji, you can just type pizza and it should see that emoji and you can type it there. Let's try this on the URL bar in Google Chrome. So for instance, if I come here and I'm typing, then I press Windows and period, I can even type emojis here. This works literally anywhere on your Windows computer. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.